Okay, today what we're looking at here in the web development class for Sheridan Tech College is Module 2, Unit 8, How to Use Google Docs. All right, so what we want to do is, as you approach this or get started with it, read through essential question, how to use the free word processing applications from Google Docs. Now these are similar to Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Only this is from Google and it's free. So you can use this and not have to buy the software if you didn't already have the Microsoft software. Okay, read through lesson objectives, key terms, getting started, explains. There's our many word applications that can be used. Go ahead and read that information. And then here is where learning task where you start working. The first one, create and rename a document. Okay, click there. Now you're going to click on each one, read through the information, but here's how we would start. Click here. Okay, read through this information. The first thing we're going to do for this actual assignment is create a document. So I'm going to click right here. Okay, I'm going to click on the plus to create a new file. And there I am. I'm ready to start working. I'm going to go back. Okay, so basically you can read through each one. I'm jumping ahead a little bit to save time so you can see. But read through each one of these, click and read through the information. Your assignment is download the text file, format, Google Docs. So let's do that now. Don't skip all that other stuff because there's a lot of good information, but I wanted to show you how this assignment basically works. Okay, so I'm going to take this one. Here it is that I just downloaded. I'm going to put this on my desktop so it's easy to get to. And now, let's see, what are their next steps? Okay, then after we download it, then open your file and format the text. All right, so let's see. We've already got the file. Let's go up here. There's where we were. Okay, there's the file we created. We need to bring this information in. Okay, so we can say open. Now, what we could do, there's a couple of ways we could do it. We could come here to upload, and I can just drag the file over. Okay, there it is. Okay, so now what we want to do, back over here, open your file, format the text. Now let's see, what do they mean by that? Let's go in here, we'll have a look. Here are your instructions. Okay, so it says first download the file, we did that. Read the doc instructions. So when you click here, that's telling you how to set up the file. How to set up the type, how to indent, all these different things, what you want to do to create the file in a way that matches the assignment. Okay, so that's that. So also when you're on that page, let's see, let's go back to that one. There's our file that we will go back, follow the instructions, and we'll set up the way it's wanted. And let's say, let's go back here. Okay, so follow these instructions, you format the file, then once you do it, now here's the images. They're going to ask you to bring some images in. As you follow these instructions, here are the images, so you'll click to download these images so that into your desktop, so you can bring them in. Then you kind of look at yours once it's done and compare it to theirs. And then if you want to say, oh, I need to tweak this or whatever, or then once you finish the file and you're all set, let's see, let's go back to our file. It's not formatted yet, but here it is. Then we need to save it. Okay? There are a number of ways to do it. If there's a particular way as you get into this, you see that looks best, that's fine. If I go in here, I can go back to this area, and I can say I want to, let's see, we could go ahead and we could download it. This is one good way to do it. If you don't see a better way in the instructions, go to File, go to Download As, Microsoft Word. Okay. So then that'll download to wherever your files download. And then I'm going to bring, here's the file. I'm going to drag it over. Okay. And so here's my file. So now you can go back to your area. You know, it says, okay, how does your document compare? And then back here is where you can upload it. Okay. So as you read through it, then it says how to add the file and everything. Once it's formatted, go to add a file. And this is, I'm going to click upload. And it's on my desktop. Here it is. And I see it there. I'm going to click add. I might put a note. You don't have to. Here is my doc file, whatever. And then you say submit. You can put messages to me, but you don't have to. That's up to you. And then after you've done that, click done. And you've done it. Now you can see here, here's a place, and just check if you want to check. Here we are in the Dropbox folders, and you can see where you've turned things in. Now this is my account. I'm not turning things into my account, but here's my account. And you can see if something's been graded or not, and if you submit it or not, kind of a double check. So there's module 1, here's module 2 stuff. Okay? And here's where I just turned in the Google Docs file. And that's it.